treat. Did my hair. It's purple again. I'm so happy. It's so nice. So I'm ready actually to go to the Unicorn Cafe. Nobody wants to join me. I don't know why. Why only me? So I called Karim, like Uber, like a taxi. And let's see when he's here and what to do. Anyway, so we're up to Boa.
What's up, man? Going to Boa for the first time.
Yes, in a W. But I wanted to show this elevator. I love it. It's so cool with the whole seat and everything.
I'm gonna stay.
Yeah, sure. So, and we're just here for really what, 45 minutes, half an hour? But yeah. So let's go and do it.
Let's do it.
So we're at Boa. We're gonna eat first. Have some special dish, Devali dish. Yeah.
Having a special Diwali.
So food is here. Are you enjoying it?
Of course.
Yeah. They were so hungry. So let me see what it is. It's something with lentil, right? And
Dokla.
oh yeah, dokla. And I think it's samosa. Not sure yet. So this is really the shisha heaven. Everything you want. Oh, purple. Wow, so many nice. Wow, look at this one. But we're getting some taste. Oh yeah, this is what I meant.
Yeah, so we're buying some of those. No?
Magical. Why magical?
Yeah, this is a cheap one. So the best one is Jenny Coco.
Why?
Yeah, because this lasts long and it doesn't deteriorate over time. This one. I'll show you this one. We're gonna have it tonight.
Okay. I'm still coughing. They bought, I don't know actually. A taste? Which taste?
We got
Cherry?
not chili, it was grape. Grape is a special grape.
Special grape. I'm still coughing. Of course I'm eating. All the time. So I'm at Miele now. And we were actually checking out, ooh, look at this couch. So we were checking it out for a nice cooking class for next time. And yes, so they asked me to join them. So this is a really healthy salad. It's all steamed.
like in cooking lessons, the way they do. Then they concentrate on this. And you lift it up, and there you are, happy like a bird.
Because it's too
was
long
really
and soft.
Well, really soft, so it's just remove this part. Okay, yeah.
Yes.
So we're done, the food is here. Sorry, scallops already finished. I should have done a video. So I'm gonna show you the tagliatelle. So tell me how it is.
Very nice.
Very nice.
Very fresh.
Going back home, this is it. Bye Dubai. It was so nice. So I'm gonna miss Halloween in Dubai. But you know, there's always a party. So they said, Natasha, next time there will be something else. So okay, I'm gonna go. Quick breakfast at 2. So I'm gonna run later on to the airport. I hope I'm not gonna be late. So thanks anyways for watching this vlog of NN in Wonderland. And don't forget to subscribe and like. Thanks, see you next time.